Millions of people on this earth, billions of people on this earth, are forced to live a life of ugliness. They're in the cities, they go out and all they see is ugliness. Buildings, vehicles, adverts screaming at you. Buy me, buy me, buy me. Ugly roads, ugly factories, ugly offices, inside them and out. Ugliness abounds. Ugliness abounds! It abounds! Ugliness abounds. No escape from ugliness. No escape from noise. No escape from filth. In the shops, everything's ugly. Everything's shining and ugly. Trying to attract your money attention, trying to get your money out of you. It's all fake. It's all fake and plastic. To be a peace-loving man or woman if you're in the city all the time and the city's in you all the time, even when you get to your home haven. With your pictures on the walls and your comfortable furniture. A haven for how long? Before you have to go again into the nightmare of total absolute ugliness that reigns outside your door. Look out the window and it's there. Why have windows if it's look on filth and steel, concrete, glass, soot? hear all the sounds. Hear all the sounds of the skyscraping maniacs. Sounds of their vehicles. The sounds of their money machines and their money mines. How not to be weird and broken if you live in the city. And the city lives in you with its clocks giving you orders, everybody giving you orders, all the signposts giving you orders. Everywhere you look, orders, order and order. Sex and shopping are your only respite. Everything points at you, everything points at the sky, everything's controlling you. You reach out to no one, you're all on your own, forever among the concrete. You're alone, you're alone amongst the concrete. Got the filth on your body, got the filth in your mind, the city filth. Making you a deviant, potentially. But for some reason, never a rebel. Who can rebel against the city? Who can rebel against their own mind? We all need faces to tell the time. We all need clocks to be our friends. Talk to machinery. Talk to your computer. There's at least a little relief in that illusion. City of illusion.